Hi everybody, I'm Noelle Randall, and on today's episode, we're gonna be talking about how to make irresistible offers, okay? So how to make offers to sellers that get accepted so that you can get money because you need to make offers that are accepted, and I'm gonna show you how. Let's go. Hi, this is Noelle Randall.
More great news for real estate investors.
How would you like to be a boss? I'm going to show you how. Buy houses using a credit card. So let's talk about wholesaling now. Welcome back. I'm Noelle Randall, real estate entrepreneur, mentor, and mom of 5. And on today's episode, I'm going to be teaching everybody how to make irresistible offers, offers that get accepted. When you talk to sellers, you want them to say yes to your offer, sign that contract so you can assign that contract to someone else or do whatever you're going to do with the property. So you got to make offers that are accepted, and I'm going to tell you how. So let's start by saying, I got to just be really honest with you. Most people really struggle with making offers. You know, making offers is the hardest part for most people and most investors, and where they really get tripped up. But not for my students, okay? Our offers get accepted, and I'm going to teach you how and why and the mindset that we use when we go into it, okay? And I'm going to give you as much as I can in this video and share as much as I can. And if you need a little bit more, always remember that you do have the opportunity below to apply to have a call with me, and we can talk, and maybe I can answer your question or get you clarification or whatever it is that you need so that you are successful, because that is what I want for everybody. So let's start. So you're making your offers, and everybody's like, how do I make offers? I'm talking to sellers, and I want to make sure that my offer is accepted. I want to make sure that they don't laugh at me. I don't want to lowball them, and I don't want to make an offer that's so high and they're just like, yes, and I overpaid, and then there's nothing I can do because I overpaid. So how to make irresistible offers to sellers that are accepted. You have to position things, okay? So let's start of how you do it, and how you deliver your offer matters so much, okay? That is really what this lesson is about today, that I really want to spend some time talking to you about. So positioning things. Positioning, meaning how do you position yourself? How do you position your company? How do you position your experience? Let's talk through that, because you must position certain things so that you are respected by that seller and that they know that the offer that you are bringing to them is well thought out, well researched, and is the best offer that they're going to get. So you have to position yourself, and you have to cede to some of that when you're talking to them, that you're going to give them a fair offer and the best offer and a cash offer. And you make sure that before you ever even talk to them, you've set that up. But in that first conversation, when you talk about the offer, you say that. I'm going to make sure that I offer you the best offer. I'm going to make sure I give you an offer that is accepted. I'm going to make you an irresistible offer. You tell them that, okay? You cede that to them so that they know it's coming. And in their mind, when they hear it, whatever the number is, it's the best number. You said so, all right? So let's talk about that. But we're going to make offers irresistible. Stop. I know I'm interrupting this video because I have an important message for you guys. If you are serious about real estate as a business and you really want to be a real estate entrepreneur, a millionaire like Noelle, you're going to need a website. And so I'm actually going to give you some free resources, some low-cost resources. So you need two things to be a real estate entrepreneur. You need to have deals. You need a place to put your deals so that when you get a deal, you can get it to other investors quickly, and a great network. So there's a link below for a free account, myhousedeals.com. Or you can do upgrade it for like $20 or $30 a month, super cheap. They have stuff for like less than $100 a month where you can really make some good money. myhousedeals.com, or you can search for properties for free. You can literally take those properties and market it to other people like I teach you and make money. There's a link below. Go ahead, sign up today. Second thing, you need a website. You need a website. It's like Look what century we're in. It's 2019 when I'm making this video. If you don't have a website, you don't have a business. So go ahead and click that link below and get you a website for cheap. We got websites for $50, $100 that are already built for you. SEO, SMO, professional, customized to you. This is what you want to do, and I'm giving you everything that you need. Click below and get yourself set up like you need to be. All right? So you got to first position yourself. Why? Who are you? Make sure you come in credible. Make sure that you have business cards and your logo or your shirts or polo shirts, and you speak professionally. You have to position yourself as an entrepreneur, as an expert, as a true professional in this business. If you go in there all sloppy and you're not speaking well and you're jumbling over your words and you don't know what to say, that's a mistake. You need to have already decided how you are going to position yourself as a professional, okay? The next thing, you need to position your company, your business, as a real business so that you are respected and your business is a professional company and one that they should deal with. And one of the ways that you do that is by telling them your experience, telling them why, giving them testimonials, showing other people that you have worked with, having material that looks professional, okay? Coming to the meeting prepared, things like that. Again, I don't have time to go over it all in this video, but if you want, again, you can just schedule a call. But that is what you're doing. That is the general idea. You are positioning yourself, your company, your experience, your clients, past clients, all of it. Position that and tell them why. Position yourself as the professional, as the expert, okay? Second thing, this is so important, control when the offer happens, okay? When the call happens, when you're giving the call. So you want to, if you're going to their house and you're going to be making the offer at the end of the meeting, tell them that up front so they're not asking you as you're walking through the house. As you're trying to do your inspection or look through the property, they're not asking you about your offer. You set it up front that you're making an offer at the end of your inspection or you're making an offer later, all right? You control when the offer happens. You stay in control. And if you're new and you need to stay in control, tell them that you're going to call them with the offer and tell them when the call is going to happen so that you can prepare, okay? Which is going to bring you to the next thing. You need to practice making offers. Practice. Role play, come up with how you're going to do it. Hello, Mr. Borrower. Hello, Mr. Seller. And you practice with friends and you role play. Get really good at this, okay? Before you make your offer. That's why I do not suggest that new people make offers on the spot or make offers on that first phone call, okay? Or at that first meeting. You want to step back, do your research, practice, get ready, get yourself all jived up like we do, you know, get big. Get ready and then make the offer, okay? And that, so you're in control. Control is so important. You want to be in the position of power and be in control of when the offer is. You don't want to be where what's the offer and you're scrambling or you're on your heels and you're like, okay, let me find out or let me quickly. No, you want to be prepared and ready and you say when the call happens. You call the seller with the offer. Don't let them call you. You call them so that it's on your terms, your grounds, and when you're ready so that you can mentally prepare. Now, as you get, you know, more seasoned, you know, like me, it gets easier. But in the beginning, you gotta stay in control of when it happens so that you are in the position of power. If they call you and you're not ready, you're in the car or you gotta get ready, that's not how you wanna be. You want to prepare for the call. You want to have your numbers in front of you. You want to be ready. You want to have the answers at least thought out as to what they might ask and have your answers ready to fire back if they need to. You got to stay in control. So you got to practice and role play with others before you do it, okay? And then the last thing, you need to have your documents and your proof as to the comps, where you're getting your numbers from, what properties have sold in the area, why it's worth what you're saying is worth, why you are making this offer. You got to give the why, have your documentation or your proof ready to present, okay? That also makes you very credible and makes you a professional. We all do it this way, and if someone presented me an offer and then I balked at their offer and they didn't know where they got it from, I would be in position of power. But if they knew why, how, and could explain it and were calm, cool, and collective, then they win. And so that's what I'm telling you to do. You win by staying in control and by being prepared and having your evidence and your documents and your numbers ready, All right? So that's how you make irresistible offers. All right? And then here's another thing. You want to do a couple of things. You want to have things that are important, some other notes. I mean, I don't have time to get into it, but just some other notes. Empathy. When you're talking to the seller, remember, they have a story as to how they got into the situation. So you want to be empathetic. You want to build rapport. You know, how's your kids? What's their names? Refer to them by their first name. Connect with them. You know, again, set expectations as to when and how the offer is coming. You say that up front. If we can come to these terms, we're gonna make an offer and you're willing to accept. Get them to say yes and give you cooperation that they're going to accept your offer when you give it, okay? And that's before you ever give it. You're seeding and you're telling them up front, when I make an offer, we're going to go ahead and finish this out, correct? Or if we come to the terms, you're ready to make an offer. I mean, you're ready to accept my offer, correct? Get them to say yes. And if they don't say yes, don't make them an offer. You want them to say yes, they're going to accept it when you make it. So you have to seed and say those things early on. That's how you make irresistible offers. So when they're ready, they hear it, okay? So again, like this video, because I've just told you how to make irresistible offers. Remember to like this, comment below if you have questions. I'm always making videos based on you guys' questions. Subscribe to my channel, new videos every single week. I keep bringing you guys content, so remember to subscribe and remember to hit that notification bell so you know when the videos are coming. I got some free training down below, noelsfreetraining.com if you wanted to get some more free training and an application for a call if you want to talk to me. If you qualify, again, business-minded, smart people that really want to do this as a business, I am here to help and I want you all to be successful. That is Noel's goal, giving back and telling you the truth of how to invest now and how to make money now. So this is how you make irresistible offers. Remember, you're positioning yourself, your company, your experience up front before the offer ever comes. In that first conversation, you're controlling when the offer happens and making them hungry for your offer. You don't just give it to them when they ask for it. You make them wait a little bit. Create that sense where they're like, please tell me how much you could offer me, because you said you were going to give me the best offer, and they want your offer. Control, practice, role play, have your proof ready. That is how you make those irresistible offers. This is Noel Randall. Hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you next time.